Hold on to your hats. You're about to be blown away by the latest news in the world of ETFs. BlackRock has just received approval for their ETF. Now, for those of you who might need a refresher, an ETF or exchange-traded fund is a type of investment fund and exchange-traded product. It offers you a way to buy and sell a basket of assets without having to buy all the components individually. The significance of BlackRock's approval, well, it's like the seal of approval from the investment world's version of a Michelin star rating. The recent news of BlackRock's ETF approval sent ripples through the market. Investors, traders, and market watchers alike felt the impact. There were immediate reactions, with some celebrating the news and others bracing for potential fallout. This could very well be a game changer, but let's dive deeper into what this approval truly means for BlackRock and the world of investing. So, what does this approval mean, and why should you care? Well, it's simple, really. First off, let's take a moment to understand the giant we're dealing with here. BlackRock isn't just a company, it's an empire. It's one of the world's largest asset managers, with over $7 trillion in assets under its belt. So when BlackRock gets approved for an exchange-traded fund, or ETF, it's no small deal. This isn't just a tick in the box for BlackRock. It's a seismic shift in the financial landscape. Now, let's delve into the implications of this approval. ETFs, for those who might be unfamiliar, are essentially a basket of securities that you can buy or sell through a brokerage firm on a stock exchange. They're designed to track the performance of a specific index sector, commodity, or asset. When BlackRock's ETF gets the green light, it's like a beacon that illuminates opportunities for investors. It opens up a new avenue for investment, providing a way for individuals to invest in a diverse range of assets, without the need to buy each one individually. This could potentially lead to a more balanced and diversified portfolio for investors, which is always a win in the volatile world of investing. But the ripple effect doesn't stop there. With BlackRock's ETF approval, we might see a surge in interest in ETFs as a whole. This could push other companies to launch their own ETFs, leading to a more competitive and dynamic market. Moreover, this approval could pave the way for more innovative ETF offerings in the future. We might see ETFs that track not just traditional assets, but also emerging asset classes like cryptocurrencies, green energy, and more. This could potentially reshape the landscape of ETFs, making them a more integral part of the investment ecosystem. As you can see, this approval isn't just a win for BlackRock, but it could potentially be a win for investors around the globe. We've covered a lot of ground, so let's take a moment to summarize the key points. We started by exploring what an ETF or exchange-traded fund is. Remember, it's a type of investment fund that's traded on stock exchanges, much like stocks. This gives investors the ability to buy into a diversified portfolio without needing to buy each individual stock or bond. Next, we delved into BlackRock's recent approval to launch their own ETF. This is significant because BlackRock is one of the world's largest asset managers, and their entry into the ETF market is a game changer. It's also worth mentioning that this is the first time they've ventured into this sphere, marking a shift in their strategy that could potentially influence other industry leaders. Finally, we discussed the potential impact of this approval on the market and investors. The introduction of a new ETF, especially one backed by a financial giant like BlackRock, could cause market fluctuations as investors scramble to buy in. This could lead to a pump and dump scenario, where the price of the ETF rises sharply before falling just as quickly. Investors need to be aware of this potential volatility and make informed decisions. This approval is a big deal, and it's something that could potentially change the world of investing as we know it. As we wrap up, it's important to remember that while this news is exciting, it's always crucial to do your own research before making any investment decisions. Dive deeper into ETFs, explore BlackRock's new offering, and always make sure you're making informed decisions. Knowledge, after all, is your best investment. And there you have it, folks, the latest scoop on BlackRock's ETF approval. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and happy investing.